Almond Shea Butter Strengthening Conditioner Pouch Packing Machine is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. This machine compared with similar products on the market. It has incomparable outstanding advantages in terms of performance, quality, appearance, etc. and enjoys a good reputation in the market.FUBO summarizes the defect of past products and continuously improves them. This machine can be customized according to your needs. This machine are including functions: main packing machine, liquid and paste pump, film input, date printer, touch screen, bag former, sealing and cutting device, machine or controlled PLC system. Double-line vertical packing machine is optional for complete or partial stainless steel, and all out equipment have received the CE certificate.